Hi guys, welcome back to Warthog Defense. This is Seth. Attacks on Russia itself continue, and now a mysterious fire has appeared at the airport in Sochi. Meantime, Russian sources reported the head of the Russian armed forces, Valery Gerasimov, is finally replaced, and he has not appeared in public for 2 months.
There was a fire near Sochi airport in Russia. Something is burning in Sochi airport. Looks like it's a plane. Residents of Sochi got a fire in the local airport on video. Emergency services and the airport claimed the fire was planned, it's training. Where is Gerasimov? Well, he is reportedly dismissed as chief of the Russian General Staff. According to Russian media, Lieutenant General Viktor Pozny here will temporarily perform the duties of the Chief of the General Staff. The question remains, where is Gerasimov? During a shelling of Belgorod, a shell hit the forensic building in Sosnovka, local Russian media report. A ceiling and walls are damaged, windows were broken out. No one was injured by preliminary information. Previously, Russian Volunteer Corps, Freedom to Russia Legion and the Siberia Battalion addressed residents of Belgorod and Kursk, urging them to leave their cities as they would be firing at military positions. Local Russian channels report renewed incursion attempts near Rizhivka Tetkino and Bobilivka Iskra. I guess it's not pleasant when someone is invading your country and shelling your cities. Authors of Kiev in 3 days and 16,000 to take Avdiivka are calling the incursion into the occupied territory madness. And the special military operation is apparently designed to treat it. I see now how they've prescribed it to themselves. From a human point of view, this is madness. From the sacral side, demonization. That is, a huge mass of people in the territory controlled by Kiev fell into a state of obsession. This is what the SMO is designed to treat. And where to start, say, near Belgorod, Kursk, Bryansk, I suggested above. The Ukrainian 45th Brigade continues to pinpoint Russian artillery units using its Swedish Archer systems. Now they have taken care of 2 S-4 Tulpen, 2 D-20 and 2 D-30 howitzers, and an ammunition warehouse out in the field. The continuation of the tragic helicopter saga unfolds as the enemy, following an attack on the helicopters, traced where the ammunition from the helicopters was transported and struck the hangar. Ukraine lacked the means to shoot them down, though at the very least they should monitor the activity and movement of drones with electronic warfare tools. Since the beginning of the full-scale invasion of Ukraine until October 2023, at least 2,442 children have been taken from Ukraine to Belarus. Special pro-Russian camps organize trips to a military training ground and meetings with police officers for children. 2 organizations are engaged in the deportation of Ukrainian children to Belarus. The charitable foundation named after Alexei Talai and the Belarusian Red Cross, the investigative journalists found out. There are also children from Ukrainian orphanages in Belarusian camps. The fate of many of them after the end of the shift in the camp is unknown.
Мы понимаем, что так надо действовать. Дети ни в чем не виноваты. И мы договорились с Путиным, что мы будем из союзного бюджета нашего Беларуси и России финансировать эти поездки. Россия и Беларусь.
Ми бачимо цілеспрямовану операцію, в якій під таким тиском знаходяться саме українські діти. Що вони хочуть зробити? Вони сприяють Російській Федерації у викоріненні національної ідентичності українських дітей, у їхній мілітаризації, у бажанні не повертатися в Україну, у перетворення цих дітей у ворогів власної нації.
Одна чітка установка, щоб дітей просто вороже налаштувати проти України.
Наш принцип какой? Факты на стол.
Конечно.
Фонд Талаи имеет непосредственно самое прямое отношение к вывозу детей из Украины. По сути, Талаи был инициатором этой программы.
Теряется детство у наших деток. Я не разделяю белорусских детей, украинских детей Донбасса.
Вони перестали повністю це фінансувати. Саме через це, наскільки знову ж таки відомо мені, то на території Білорусі ЮНІСЕФ зараз там нікуди не допускаються і фактично такий обмежений в своїх програмах.
Мы должны подхватить этих детишек вовремя, привести к себе домой, обогреть и сделать их детство более счастливым.
Stay with Warthog Defense. We are following the events in Ukraine and especially this attack on Russia itself. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.